Fine. Differentiation. Which chapter differentiation in mathematics? Fourth chapter. So, first of all, what is differentiation? Yes. Differentiation. You already kaltidira in first semester or second semester. Then first year alantu kaltidira. You all learned differentiation. So, what is differentiation?
Small part.
Yes.
Small part.
Small.
When
Have you heard dy by dx? Have you heard d square by dx square? ಕೇಳಿಸ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀರಾ ಯಾವಾಗಾದ್ರೂ ಎನಿ ಯು ಆರ್ ಹರ್ಡ್ ಇಟ್ ಆಕ್ಚುಲಿ ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ಚೈನ್ ರೂಲ್ ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್ ರೂಲ್ quotient rule yes but you forgot huh fine so differentiation put heading differentiation online ಅವರಿಗೆ ವಾಯ್ಸ್ ಕೇಳಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದೆಯಾ you start section everyone yes ವಾಯ್ಸ್ ಕೇಳಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದೆಯಾ Monish, Pooja, Jonas, you start section. Yes, fine. So differentiation at the heading work for everyone. Notes check marking after the class. Fine. Now, general rule for differentiation ಏನಪ್ಪಾ ಅಂದ್ರೆ d by dx of x to the power of n ಅಂತ ಇದ್ರೆ d by dx of x to the power of n ಅಂತ ಇದ್ರೆ ಪವರ್ ಏನಿದೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ n ಇದೆ so write n okay x as it is you should subtract 1 from the power you should subtract what 1 from the power this is the general rule of differentiation okay differentiation means always you will do subtraction of 1 from the power okay example d by dx of x cube ಇದೆ ಅಂತ ಇಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋಣ let us take x cube 3 exactly the power is what 3 so in the place of n what can I write 3 x to the power 3 minus 1 nothing but what 3x square 3x square fine then d by dx of x to the power of minus 5 if it is there think and answer minus 5 x to the power of minus 6 take on to minus 6 how we got minus 6 he said minus 6 power minus 6 how we got minus 6 take one to minus taken no see power is what minus 5 right minus 5 as it is minus 5 as it is x as it is in this minus 5 we are subtracting what minus 1 because differentiation is what we are reducing one power means we are subtracting 1 from the power so minus 5 as it is x to the power minus 5 minus 1 andre no minus 6 when we have same symbols we will add when we have same symbols end ಮಾಡಬೇಕು add ಮಾಡಬೇಕು so minus 6 right so ಈಗ next question d by dx of x to the power of minus 9 what will the answer now Rakesh what will be the answer for this Abhishek minus first is minus 9 x to the power minus -9 x to the power of -10. ಇದನ್ನ ಅರ್ಥ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ರೆ you could have told this. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೀವು ಕಾನ್ಸಂಟ್ರೇಷನ್ ಹೋಗಿತ್ತು ಎಲ್ಲೋ, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ನಾನು ನಿಮಗೆ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಕೇಳಿದೆ. Fine, what is the power? -9 x to the power -9 -1 nothing but -9 x to the power of -10. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗಿದೆಯಾ ಇದು? ಬರ್ಕೊಡಿ. ಇದೆ ಆಮೇಲೆ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ? ಫಾಸ್ಟ್ ಬೇಸಿಕ್ಸ್ ಮಿಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡ್ಬಿಟ್ರೆ ಹೆಂಗ್ರಿ? ಬೇಗ ಬನ್ನಿ. ಕಾರ್ಡ್ಬೋರ್ಡ್ ತಗೊಂಡ್ ಬಂದಿರಿ, ಕುತ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಟೇಕ್ ಕಾರ್ಡ್ಬೋರ್ಡ್. Sit here. Take your bag. Come front. Fine. ಬರ್ಕೊಂಡಾಯ್ತಾ? ಎರೇಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದಾ? ಆನ್ಲೈನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾದ್ರು ಬರ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀರಾ? ಯೂಸ್ ಚಾಟ್ ಸೆಕ್ಷನ್. ಎವ್ರಿವನ್ ಯೂಸ್ ಚಾಟ್ ಸೆಕ್ಷನ್. Yes. Okay. dy dx of if 3x square ಅಂತ ಕೊಟ್ರೆ, dy dx of 3x square ಅಂತ ಕೊಟ್ರೆ, you have to multiply this power to this constant number. 2 into 3 is what? 6. X to the power 2 only -1 means 1 another less model. You have to less. Okay, what is this? 6x to the power 2 minus 1 means what? 1. Nothing but 6x. Fine. See, here I am elaborating the things. Okay, afterwards when we solve big problems, I don't need to elaborate. This is the basics. Fine. The next, dy dx of -4 x to the power of -2.
6x.
No, things and answer. 8. Yes. Now, so tell me. -2 into -4 is what? Minus into minus is plus. 2 4s are 8 x to the power. In -2 you will subtract -1. Nothing but 8 x to the power of -3. 8 x to the power of -3. Fine. ಇದೆರಡು ಬರ್ಕೊಂಡ್ಬಿಡಿ. Fine. ಬೇಸಿಕ್ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಅರ್ಥ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಸಿಯೇಷನ್. Done. Erase ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದಾ? Yes. Now dy dx of x square plus 3x cube ಅಂತ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೀನಿ ಅಂತ ಇಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. dy dx of x square plus 3x cube ಅಂತ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೀನಿ ಅಂತ ಇಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನ್ ಸಿಂಬಲ್ ಇದೆ? ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಸಿಂಬಲ್. ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಯು ಆರ್ ಲರ್ನಿಂಗ್ ಸಮ್ ರೂಲ್. ಯಾವ ರೂಲು? ಸಮ್ ರೂಲ್. ಓಕೆ, So d by dx of x square plus d by dx of 3x cube. Fine. So what is the difference of x square? Differentiation. Power is 2 either. So 2 x to the power 2 minus 1 is nothing but 1. So you can directly write it as what? 2x. Fine. Then plus 3 into 3 is 9 x to the power. If you are subtracting 1 from power 3, what is that? Square. So this will be the answer. This is sum rule. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ ಆನ್ಲೈನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇರೋರಿಗೆ ಯು ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಸೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಸಮರ್ ಪೂಜಾ ಅರೇಂಜ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದಾಗಿದೆ ನಾವು ಫೈನ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಯಾವ ತರ ಕೊಡ್ತಾರೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ y is equal to 3x to the power of minus 2 plus 12 ಅಂತ ಕೊಡ್ತಾರೆ ಅಂತ ಇಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋಣ. ಓಕೆ, ಇಷ್ಟೇ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಫೈನ್, ಇನ್ನೂ ಏನು ಬರ್ಕೊಡ್ಬೇಡಿ, ಇಷ್ಟೇ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಈಗ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಈ ಜನರಲ್ ರೂಲ್ಗೆ ನಂಬರ್ 1 ಅಂತ ಬರ್ದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ರೌಂಡ್ ಮಾರ್ಕ್ ಹಾಕಿ. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಜನರಲ್ ರೂಲ್ ಬರ್ದಿದ್ದೀರಲ್ವಾ, ರೈಟ್ 1. ಓಕೆ, 2 ಅಂತ ಬರ್ದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು d by dx of constant number, d by dx of any constant number. Okay, if it may be 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, infinity. Okay, differentiation of a constant number will be always 0. Once again, differentiation of a constant number will be what? 0. Fine. So now, why they will give the problem? They will say find dy by dx. They will say, okay. Otherwise, they can ask differentiate with respect to x. They will ask differentiate with respect to x. They will ask. Okay. So dy by dx is equal to power na illige multiply ಮಾಡಿ -2 into 3 is what? -6 x to the power. You should subtract 1 from the power. So -2 minus 1 plus differentiation of a constant number is what? Constant number is 0. Nothing but -6 x to the power -3. This will be the answer. Right. Done. Open ನೀವು ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಮಾಡಲಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ. If you are opening your mouth, then we understood that at least you are getting it. ನೀವು ಸುಮ್ಮನೆ ಸೈಲೆಂಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಹಿಂಗಿದ್ರೆ ಏನೋ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗಲ್ಲ, ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗಿದೆಯೋ ಇಲ್ವೋ, ಸುಮ್ಮನೆ ಎಲ್ಲೋ ಕಾಲೇಜ್ ಕಡೆ ಇರುತ್ತಲ್ಲ ಇದೆಯೋ ಅಲ್ವಾ. ಫೈನ್, ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್. ಇದನ್ನ ನೀವು ಮಾಡಿ. y is equal to 12 x to the power of 4 minus 3 x to the power of minus 3 plus 1000 differentiate with respect to x.
48x cubed plus 96 to the power minus 2.
Let's go ahead. ರೂಲ್ ಅಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಿ. ರೂಲ್ ಅಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಿ. ಆನ್ಲೈನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇರೋರು ಕೂಡ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಯೂಸ್ ಚಾಟ್ ಸೆಕ್ಷನ್. Yes. dy by dx is equal to 4 into 12 is what? 12 fours are 48 x to the power 4 ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ಲೆಸ್ ಆಗಬೇಕು. ಒಂದು ಲೆಸ್ ಆದ್ರೆ ಏನು 3 ಮೈನಸ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಹಿಯರ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಮೈನಸ್ ಇಸ್ ದೇರ್. ಪವರ್ ನ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದೀನಿ. ಸೊ minus 3 into minus 3 is what? Plus 9 x to the power minus 3 ಅಲ್ಲಿ minus 1 ಅನ್ನ ರೆಡ್ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀರಾ. See, if it is plus 3, if you are subtracting 1, then it is 2. But here it's already minus 3. Minus 3 minus 1 means what? Minus 4. Minus 4. Anyhow, this constant number, right? 1000 is a constant number. Differentiation of a constant number ಏನು 0. So ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ಬರ್ದಿಲ್ಲ ಅಷ್ಟೇ. ಫೈನ್, ಎರೇಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದಾ ಇದನ್ನ? ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಕೇಳ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ, ಬೇಸಿಕ್ಸ್ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ತಿಳ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಫೈನ್. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ನಂಬರ್ 3. d by dx of x is nothing but 1. d by dx of x is nothing but what? 1. Okay now. Problem. Example. Y is equal to 2x ಅಂತ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದೆ. Y is equal to what? 2x ಅಂತ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದೆ. Fine. Okay. dy by dx is equal to 2 you keep as it is. 2 you keep as it is. Differentiation of x is what? Differentiation of x ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? 1 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. So 2 multiplied by 1 is nothing but what? 2. ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ the last problem ಅಲ್ಲಿ differentiation of 1000 ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ it is 0 because 1000 is a constant number. Differentiation of a constant number ಏನು? 0 ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. Fine. Here if I give y is equal to minus 14x, then what will be the dy by dx? See, when I give 2x, it is 2. Then what is for minus 14x? It is minus 14 only, right? Minus 14. Because minus 14 as it is, differentiation of x is what? 1. Minus 14 into 1 is what? Minus 14. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗಿದೆಯಾ? ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ this problem you will. Y is equal to x square plus 4x.
Yes, that's what.
Y is equal to x square plus 4x. What is the answer? Yes. So dy by dx is equal to x square ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಪವರ್ 2 ಇದೆ x to the power 1 ಲೆಸ್ ಆದ್ರೆ ಏನು 2 ಅಲ್ಲಿ 1 ಲೆಸ್ ಆದ್ರೆ 1 you no need to write it. Okay, 2x plus what is the differentiation of 4x? Niranjan, it is what? 4. Okay, I will give options for this. Okay, ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಈಗ 2x plus 4 ಬಂದಿದೆ. Options. Option A 2x, option B x plus 2, option C, option D, both B and C. Which is the option? Both B and C. Why both B and C? Because in the option A and to be wrong ಇದು. Okay. Option B ಬರೋಣ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ 2x plus 4 ಅಂತ ಇದೆ. What I can take it as common? 2 ಕಾಮನ್ ತಗೋಬೋದಾ? 2 ಕಾಮನ್ ತೆಗೆದ್ರೆ ಉಳಿಯೋದೇನು x plus 2. Because ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿ 2 into x is 2x plus 2 2s are 4. Okay. Then option C ನಾನು ಏನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ? ಉಲ್ಟಾ ಬರ್ದಿದ್ದೀನಿ ಅಷ್ಟೇ. ಈಗ 1 plus 2 ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನಪ್ಪ? 3. 2 plus 1 ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು? 3. Right? So just to change ಮಾಡಿ ಬರ್ತಿದ್ದೀನಿ 4 ನ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಬರ್ತಿದ್ದೀನಿ plus 2x ಬರ್ತಿದ್ದೀನಿ. Both answers will be what? Right. So option D, both B and C. Both B and C. Yes, online ಅವರಿಗೆ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ? Use chat section. Use chat section. Erase ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದಾ ಇದನ್ನ? ಬರ್ತಿದ್ದೀರಾ? Next, formula 4. Formula 4. D by dx of root x. Molia, what is the formula for root x? Yes. So differentiation of root x is nothing but 1 divided by 2 root x. 1 divided by 2 root x. Example. Example. Y is equal to 3 into root x they have given. Think that 3 into root x they have given. Fine. Differentiate with respect to x. Fine. So dy by dx is equal to dy by dx is equal to 3 another constant number alva. Right? 3 you keep as it is. Okay. 3 you keep as it is. What is the differentiation of root x? 1 by 2 root x. So 1 divided by 2 root x. Nothing but what? 3 divided by 2 root x. Done? So ಅದೇ ನಾನು ಏನಾದ್ರು y is equal to 2 root x ಅಂತ ಕೇಳಿದ್ರೆ what will be the answer?
1 by 2x.
1 by root x, because dy by dx is equal to 2 constant alva, keep 2 as it is, into root x differentiation ಏನು 1 divided by 2 root x. 1 divided by 2 root x. 2 to cancel. 1 divided by root x is the answer. 1 divided by root x is the answer. Write it. ಆನ್ಲೈನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇರೋರಿಗೆ ಬೋರ್ಡ್ ಡೋಂಟ್ ವರಿ, ನಾನು ಸ್ಕ್ರೀನ್ ನೋಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ. ಸ್ಕ್ರೀನ್ ನೋಡ್ತಾ ಇರ್ತೀನಿ. ಸ್ಕ್ರೀನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕಂಡ್ರೆ ಮಾತ್ರ ಬರೆಯೋದು. ಸ್ಕ್ರೀನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಔಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಸ್ಕ್ರೀನ್ ಹೋಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಬರೆಯೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ಡೋಂಟ್ ವರಿ. ಬೋರ್ಡ್ ಫುಲ್ ಕವರ್ ಆಗೋ ತರನೇ ಕ್ಯಾಮ್ರಾ ಫಿಕ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡಿರ್ತೀವಿ. Then question y is equal to 4 root x ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನಾಗ್ತಾ ಇತ್ತು?
2 by root
2 by 2 by root x ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇತ್ತು. Because 4 into 1 divided by 2 root x ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇತ್ತು. 2 1 2 2. So 2 divided by root x ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇತ್ತು. ಇಲ್ಲಿವರೆಗೂ ಬರ್ದಾಯ್ತಾ ಎವ್ರಿವನ್? ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ. ಈಗ ಎಷ್ಟು ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾಸ್ ಆಯ್ತು? ಫಿಫ್ತ್ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ, d by dx of log x. d by dx of log x is what? Yes, 1 by x. d by dx of log x is what? 1 by x. Okay. Example. Y is equal to 5 into log x. What will be the answer? Online or use chat section. Exactly. 5 d by dx is equal to 5. You keep as it is into what is the differentiation of log x? So multiply by 1 by x, nothing but 5 divided by x. 5 divided by x. Next question. Y is equal to minus 3 into log x. Minus 3. Yes, what will be the answer? ಈಗ 5 log x ಅಂತ ಕೊಟ್ಟಾಗ 5 by x ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ವಿ. ಈಗ ಇಲ್ಲಿ minus 3 log x ಅಂತ ಕೊಟ್ರೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? minus 3 divided by 5. Everyone ಬರ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀರಾ? Speed. Next formula. d by dx of e to the power of x. Exactly. e to the power of x is e to the power of x only. Okay. Differentiation of e to the power of x ಏನು? e to the power of x. Okay. Guys, ಇಲ್ಲಿ x coefficient ಏನಿದೆ? 1 ಇದೆ. So you are directly writing e to the power of x. ಅದೇ ಏನಾದ್ರು d by dx of e to the power of 2x ಅಂತ ಇದ್ದಿದ್ರೆ 1 minute. X coefficient is what? 2. Right? 2. Remaining thing you write as it is. Okay. Power the coefficient ಏನಿರುತ್ತೆ ಆ coefficient you will write here. Then remaining things keep as it is. Fine. ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ ನೀವು ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಹೇಳಿ d by dx of e to the power of 5x ಅಂತ ಇತ್ತಪ್ಪ. Exactly. 5 e to the power of ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ? Then d by dx of e to the power of minus 4x ಅಂತ ಇತ್ತಪ್ಪ. Exactly. minus 4 e to the power of minus 4x. Right? X coefficient ಏನಿರುತ್ತೋ ಅದನ್ನ ನೀವು ಬರ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ ಇಷ್ಟು? ಬರ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. Done. Fine. So question no. Y is equal to y is equal to 1 divided by 1 divided by e to the power of x ಅಂತ ಇದ್ರೆ how we will do it? Any idea? ಡಿನಾಮಿನೇಟರ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇರ್ತಕ್ಕಂತ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂನ ನ್ಯೂಮರೇಟರ್ ತಗೊಂಡು ಹೋಗ್ತೀರಾ. ಫೈನ್. ವೆನ್ ಯು ಶಿಫ್ಟ್ ದಿಸ್ ಟು ನ್ಯೂಮರೇಟರ್ ಇಟ್ ಬಿಕಮ್ಸ್ ಇ ಟು ದಿ ಪವರ್ ಆಫ್ ಮೈನಸ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್. ಓಕೆ, ಪವರ್ ಏನಾದ್ರೂ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಇದ್ರೆ ಇಫ್ ಯು ಆರ್ ಶಿಫ್ಟಿಂಗ್ ಟು ದ ನ್ಯೂಮರೇಟರ್ ಇಟ್ ಬಿಕಮ್ಸ್ ವಾಟ್ ಮೈನಸ್. ಓಕೆ, ಅದೇ ಕೆಲವೊಂದ್ಸತಿ ಫಾರ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ y is equal to 1 divided by x ಅಂತ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ನಿ ಅಂತ ಇಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. You know that differentiation of x is what? Differentiation of x is what? 1. That is in numerator. Because power is what? Positive alide. But here it is in denominator. Denominator aliddaga x to the power ಇಲ್ಲಿ plus 1 ಇರೋದು numerator ಗೆ ಬಂದ್ರೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? minus 1. If you do differentiation for this, what is the differentiation? Power is what? Minus 1 x to the power minus 1 minus 1. You are subtracting 1 from the power, right? It becomes what? Minus x to the power of minus 2, or I can write it as minus 1 divided by x square. Both are same. I am shifting to the denominator. Denominator shift ಆಗುವಾಗ minus ಇದು plus ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಥವಾ plus ಇದ್ದು minus ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. Fine? Like that. Here y is equal to e to the power of minus x ಅಂತ ಬಂದಿದೆ. ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ what is dy by dx? See, ಬರೀ e to the power of x ಇದ್ದಾಗ you could have said that e to the power of x only. But here e to the power of minus x is there. What is the coefficient of x here? Minus 1. What is the coefficient of x here? Minus 1. So write only minus 1 ಬರೆದ್ರೆ ಬರೆಯಬಹುದು ಬಿಟ್ರೆ ಬಿಡಬಹುದು. Minus e to the power of minus x. This is also I can write it as minus 1 divided by e to the power of x. Got it? Apply the online of the start section. Samath. Yes. Fine. ನೀವ್ ಬರ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀರಾ? Fine. ಬ್ಯಾಗ್ ಇಟ್ಕೊಂಡು ಕುತ್ಕೋಬೇಡಿ ಯಾರು. ಎರೇಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದಾ ಇದನ್ನ? Now, next question is, if I give y is equal to 3 e to the power of minus 4x. 3 e to the power of minus 4x.
Minus 12 is
dy by dx is equal to, ನಾನೇನಂತ ಹೇಳಿದೀನಿ, e to the power of minus 4x ಇದ್ರೆ x ಕೋಎಫಿಷಿಯಂಟ್ ಏನಿದೆ? minus 4 ಇದೆ. ನಾವು ಇದನ್ನ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬರ್ಕೊಳ್ತಾ ಇದೀವಿ, ರೈಟ್? ಬಟ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ 3 ಇದೆ. ಸೊ minus 4 into 3 is what? Minus 12 e to the power of minus 4x as it is. Okay. Next question ನೀವು ಮಾಡಿ. y is equal to, next question, y is equal to x plus 3 e to the power of x plus 3000 x plus 10.
1 plus 3 raised to the power 1 plus 3 raised to the power x plus 3000 plus 0.
Yes.
3000.
What is the differentiation of x? Yes. 3 and these. What is the differentiation of power of x? E power of x was 0. Then what is the differentiation of 3000 x?
3000.
It is 3000. Then what is the differentiation of 10? 0. ಬೋರ್ಡ್ ನೋಡಿ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗದೆ ಇರೋರು dy by dx is equal to differentiation of x is what 1 plus 3 as it is e to the power of x differentiation here e to the power of x ನೇ ಅಕಸ್ಮಾತ್ ನಾನು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾದ್ರೂ ಬೈ ಮಿಸ್ಟೇಕ್ 2 ಅಂತ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಿದ್ರೆ 2 into 3 is 6 ಅಂತ ಬರಿತಾ ಇದ್ವಿ ಬಟ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕೋಎಫಿಷಿಯಂಟ್ 1 ಅಲ್ವಾ ಸೊ 1 into 3 is 3 e to the power of x as it is plus 3000 as it is. Differentiation of x is what? 1. So 1 into 3000 is what? 3000 plus differentiation of 10 is what? 0. Hence the final answer is 1 plus 3 in the power of x plus 3000. Bardre sa. Plus 0 bari avashyakate illa. Fine. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ ಇದು ಎರೇಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದಾ ಬರ್ದಿದ್ದೀರಾ ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ No. Differentiation of trigonometric functions ಅಂತ ಹೆಡ್ಡಿಂಗ್ ಹಾಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. Differentiation of trigonometric functions. Differentiation of trigonometric function. ಯಾಕೆ ಲೇಟ್ ಆಯ್ತು ಓಕೆ ಸಿ ಪ್ರೀವಿಯಸ್ ಆಗಿರೋದು ವಿಡಿಯೋ ನೋಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ ಬೇಸಿಕ್ಸ್ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗ್ಲಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಈಗ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರು ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗಲ್ಲ ಓಕೆ ಟ್ರಿಗ್ನಾಮೆಟ್ರಿಕ್ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ಸ್ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಹೇಳ್ಕೊಡ್ತೀನಿ ಸೊ ಯಾವ್ಯಾವ ರೇಷಿಯೋಸ್ ಗೊತ್ತು ವಾಟ್ ಯು ನೋ ಟ್ರಿಗ್ನಾಮೆಟ್ರಿಕ್ ರೇಷಿಯೋಸ್ ಸೈನ್ ಕಾಸ್ ಟ್ಯಾನ್ ಕಾಟ್ cosec secant totally 6 trigonometric ratios you know ಒಂದ್ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ರೀಕ್ಯಾಪ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋಣ ಫಾರ್ ಟ್ರಿಗ್ನಾಮೆಟ್ರಿ ರೆಡಿ ಇದ್ದೀರಾ ಓಕೆ ವಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಸೈನ್ ಇನ್ವರ್ಸ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ವಾಟ್ options I will give anyhow for DCET it is options. Option A sin x, option B cos x, option C cosec x, option D secant x. It is what? Cosec x. Sin inverse is what? Cosecant, right? Ardhagbiಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೀರಾ? Then what is the inverse of cos? Secant. What is the inverse of cos? Secant. Inverse of secant is what? Inverse of secant is what? Cos. Inverse of tan is what? Cot. Inverse of cot is what? Tan. Inverse of cosec is what? Inverse of cosec is what? Inverse of